Now here, this is my website. In my website, I can promote through my Facebook page. The option call is videos. The option call is videos. First of all, you can go select any option here. Services. Just selecting for any services. This is here. This is my services here. These services we can promote for my Facebook page and through videos. That is called how to promote my website through videos and upload on your Facebook page. First of all, just select your Facebook profile. In this, open your page. Open this page. After that, just select here. Scroll down. Here, the option call is photo or videos. Now click upload photo or videos. Select your proper one. Click here. This option. Select here. You can check this video. Copy here. Paste it. First of all, give the title. After, you can give the description here. The video upload on our Facebook page. They can go to our website traffic. Just copy this URL. Now you can add it for hashtags. Just click. Next one. Very important on your tags. Tags support on your videos. Add it on your top first. That is called web design, website design, web development, website development. Now you can identify for my company name, Rakesh Solutions. Now we can identify for website design, company in Hyderabad. This will be web development, company in Hyderabad. So type how many keywords? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, we can target one particular place. Place will be Hyderabad. That is called click for check-in. Now click for Hyderabad. See this one. This is my video. This is my option here. Next one. This is called your video details. Now, next important your thumbnail. Select your thumbnail here. See this screen. These are your n number of thumbnails. Or else go to custom image. Click for add image. Go to proper documentation. Click here. Perfect. Your thumbnail is getting for more traffic. Your thumbnail getting for more traffic. Now here, just come to this one. Here, go to distribution here, where you can see this all based in your business manager. No, newsfeed and allow embedding. Only for using for two options. Newsfeed and same page, and not go to the other pages. I'm going to select by my page. If you go other pages, select by this option. See, turn off reaction, comment and shades. We can't turn off. We have to turn on always. Why? Because share, comment, likes are important. This will be subtitle and caption. You can add your language, English. Next one here, tracking. Please write on the keywords. Website, web development, website design, see, these are the keywords on your submission here. Just click, just come here. Now, last keyword, copy, paste, enter, just come. Detail. Now clear? No. Everything is ready. Your place ready. Now here, this is going to publish mode. Before publish, we have the three option. Publish now, premiere, schedule, and last will be backdate. So I can post for right now into the publish now. If anybody coming to this video, they're going to wear our website. This is called our video. We can advertise on your Facebook page. At a time we can promote our website view also. At a time we can promote for three things: Facebook page likes, video views, that will be website traffic. Any video we can upload, no time limit. In Twitter, 2 minutes 20 seconds. LinkedIn, 10 minutes. Instagram, 1 minute. But Facebook, no limit for your upload video on time limit. So you can upload for n number of minutes. You can promote through hashtag. You can tag for @. That is called, the video will be start for promotion here. See this one. Go into publication mode. Now check here. Just click the video. If anyone come into this video, they play this video, unless they go into our website here. One is called here, this option. See, reach, video views, 10-second view, unique viewers, and post engagement, view average watch time. Total 1 minute 5 seconds. Here, two options are there: 10 seconds view, unique view. Same visitor coming for once again, that is called unique view. They can watch for 10 seconds, minimum 10 seconds. They can count will be here. Video views. Out of 1000, 10 seconds will be watching for 500 members. Out of 1000, 10 seconds watching for how many members? 500 members. Out of the 500 members will be watching for less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 seconds. So clear? Everything checked by report by here. This is very important on the Facebook report also. Each individual post. You have to share this video. Based on that, we can check for reach, views. Reach nothing but they can see your post. They can't click. When you click, that is called video view. They can watch 10 seconds. The count will be happened. They're coming for 1 second. The user, that is called unique user. Post engagement. They can saw my post will be in number of times. Last will be average watch time. Total 1 minute 5 seconds. How many time will be watching? They can calculate by the average timing. This is called promote your videos on Facebook page along with your promote your drive on traffic on your websites.